Unsa man imong udto? Unsa? Ano yan? Masarap yan ah.
Kaya mo na agad niya?
Ba't isa lang? Siya isa. Mamaya, mga 10 minutes siguro. Ay nako. Pagbasura. Kasi inaano ko dito sa labas kasi minsan may tumutulo. Oh, ito wala naman. Hindi naman siya waterproof. Unahin lang natin mamaya. Lagyan natin doon sa basura para hindi galawin ng bear. Yan, malamig. Mag-ano tayo. Ayusin natin ito mga to. Save space. Mga boxes galing sa Amazon. Pinokolekta once every 2 weeks, dati once a week. Ano ba, bakit nila binago? Kaya to watch out pagka daming ang boxes ng 1 week maghintay ka pa ng another week. Yan, ito basura. Yan, yan pala. Ito pwede mong gawing remote. Pero meron naman siyang voice din, pero like remotely. Pero pagka nakakabit yung DJI mic, you can only use it for framing. And then pagka naka-record na, mawawala na yung video. Yan, gamit natin ng DJI Mic 2. And then yan, ilagay natin dito sa windshield. Yan. Nakakabit itong vision duct. Tapos naka 360 o nakabaliktad. Hindi siya nag-automatic orientation, hindi siya kailangan laging nakaganyan. Pag ginanyan mo na, ayan, hindi siya auto orient. Yan. So, yan lang Yan, gaya niyan. Nitignan ko nilagay ko yung nano sa sombrero ko. Pero pag once na nagre-record ka na, nawawala na yung picture. So, for framing purposes lang talaga. Kuha ko ng another jacket. Medyo malamig. Lahat to ikukuha natin from Osmo Nano. I-test natin. Although icy siya, ikot lang tayo rito para makapag walking din. Yan. So, pagka ka na, in your 40s, 20s, hindi mo pa naiisip na minsan party lang iniisip ko hindi ko naisip na mag-invest para for retirement. But time flies so fast. You have to really know what you're planning to do after working, right? So yun, kailangan mong iplano, strategize yung retirement mo long before na mag-retire ka. So sa mga taga 20s, sa mga nasa 20s, 30s hanggang 35, If you can start investing, even when you start work, you should keep aside some investment funds para to fund your retirement. You don't want to wait until 65. You don't know what's gonna happen at 65 and beyond, right? So ang median years ng buhay ng tao dito sa Canada, I believe it's 72 for male, and I think it's 81 for female, if my memory serves me right. So when you retire at 65, I have a co-worker in Lower Mainland. He's 67. He doesn't look like he's 67. He's slim. It still looks young, pero marami na siyang nararamdaman din daw. Nahihirap na siyang mag-wake up ng before 7, ganyan. Because you start at 8, you have to 6:30, 6:40. You have to actually just wake up and start to get ready. So nagtatrabaho pa siya ngayon, and I think he's retiring next year, 2026, around February, March siguro. But right now he's still working. So I did some medical leave because it's not helping me with my pain and mental stress. So I needed a break. So I took a medical leave. Pagka nag-start yan after nung accident So once you get the accident, before that I was okay. But once na karoon ka ng concussion, whiplash, it affects everything. Like your internal, right? So yung mga dati mong, even in the ankle pain, knee pain, parang nagkakadugtong sa shoulder pain mo Kukonek-connect sila lahat yung mga pain. Kaya you have to really take that in consideration kung kailangan mo magpahinga o I'm still waiting for my insurance benefit, short-term disability money. Wala pa. Yun yung problema ang insurance. They just, habang nagtatrabaho ka, yung dinideduct right away ang premium mo. But once you try to collect, they're gonna delay everything. They're gonna ask you all sorts of questions, everything. So they keep you on the phone, ask you if you can, cook, you can take a shower by yourself. Sa mga ganun, sa mga mental stress and physical pain, you have to do it naman, na kaya mo naman gawin yung mga yun, pero they don't need to. Why? I guess for legality's sake, they just ask those type of questions, right? Yun. Tayo. Nilagay ko sa sa selfie stick para matry natin. Maganda lang sa kanya, like, nag-work siya. You can see the mic indicator, pero hindi mo makita yung sarili mo. Pag nakadikit siya, kasi kinabit ko siya habang nag-record ata, tapos kinabit ko, hindi pa rin siya indicate na yung preview. Pero nung nakabit na siya, ini-stop ko and then nagre-record ako. Ayan. Nagsishow up na siya. Ayan. Sana lang kung pag off mo na, nag-off na rin sana yung yung vision dock. Kaso hindi eh. I think you have to manually turn it off. So dun. How's the shadow atang overexposed? Gamit ko Rocksteady 1080 30 frames per second. Nasa wide. Subukan ko yung ultra wide. And this one's ultra wide. Madulas eh, kaya dandahan lang tayo. Yan, ewan ko mayroong nag-drive ata rito. Baka yung ATV. Pero parang full tire siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung ATV yan. Drive siya rito. And how's the quality? Parang overexposed ah. Manual tayo eh, kaya pala mukhang overexposed. But this time it's okay. Yan. Kaya siguro parang overexposed. And ultra wide. How's the quality? The DJI Osmo Nano. I think this is gonna be my go-to vlogging camera. Kaso ang ano lang niya siguro yung battery. Kasi maliit siya. Maliit din yung capacity ng battery niya. But it'll tell you. Yeah, it'll indicate kung ilang percentage. Ngayon 77 sa camera. Yung vision dock is 70%. So pagka naka-connect ka sa vision dock, automatic na kumukuha ng power sa vision dock yung main camera. Yan, meron din Osmo Action to ito eh. Dati pero maliit tsaka square. Oops! And then ano siya? Well, yung mga ano niya is also comparable. Kanyang yung mga mount kit. Yan. So how's the against the light? Okay naman, naka-auto na ako. Change ko na sa auto. Kasi doon sa kanina naka-manual. Kasi pag sa indoor, mina-manual ko. Kasi para hindi mag in and out yung brightness niya. Yan. And sunny today. Nice.